In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the headlamp of the Celica GT4. Now, in order to get to where you are right here, you need to remove the front bumper of the car, which you can see in my other video. And in that video I'm also going to show you how to remove whatever you need to remove before you get to the bumper. But this video is about the headlamps. It's the same design, just in a mirror view for both sides. So all you have to do is remove these 3 bolts. This, and this one up here. But before you do that, you need to disconnect whatever you find in the back of the car. So that's what we're going to get today. So the easiest way to disconnect things is to actually, instead of unplugging the lights, you just rotate them and remove the enclosures, as you can see from this. So all you have to do is just rotate them, remove them. This is what I find the easiest way, because the plastic clips tend to be a bit difficult to prise off. And then there's this one control for the UK cars, which is for the headlamps dimming, and you also need to unplug it. But my car is a Japanese car, so this plug is not plugged to anything at the moment. So first of all, just remove those, and then we can start by removing this. So it's a 10mm bolt, and you just need to remove them. Done this before. And then you just carefully push it out, being very careful with the tabs. It's very common for people to break these tabs when trying to remove the headlamps incorrectly. But you just slide it forwards and it comes out. So this is a very quick video. The full process will be just spread across multiple videos. So if you still need to remove the bumper, check my video on the bumper. But apart from that, now all you have to do is just get your replacement headlamp and fit it back in and plug your connectors. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.